Friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last episode, we have learned the first programming of Python, which is Hello World. We started coding, we learned about the PyCharm editor, we created a new project, new file, and wrote a single line of code, which is Hello World, and we learned how to execute it. Today, we are going to learn one of the important fundamental things, which is to write comments. Comments are pretty helpful, especially when you are writing large programs. It helps document things. Not every line needs to be commented, but important logic always needs to be commented in order for others also to understand your code. That being said, let's get started with coding. Before I start coding, as always, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Please do continue to like, share, comment on the videos. If you are preparing for full stack interview series, make sure that you get the interview series copy at arctutorials.gumroad.com. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. This is episode 4. We are learning how to write comments in Python. So there are multiple ways of how you can write comments in Python. The best and the way that's preferred is to add hash, which is this symbol in front of the code. That way, this is a single line comment. But let's say you have a large program and you want to add multi-line comments. That's where you will use the triple quotes. I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started in coding. So this is the high level theory for you just to understand. Open your PyCharm editor. This is what we left it last time, where we wrote the print hello world and we'll created this project and a file. Okay, so now let's say I'm going to add one more print and I'm going to say hello from Arc Tutorials. Save it and let's run it, and you can see both outputs, hello world and hello from Arc Tutorials. Now I don't want the first line to be executed, I want to comment it. So just add the hash in front of it and save it. So you can see it's grayed out. Grayed out means it's a comment. Okay, now you can write anything inside it, it doesn't matter. The entire line is commented. But if you write something after that, this is error because it's not part of it. So if you want it, again you have to add hash, right? It tells you that it's a comment. Now let's me run this. So you can see only hello from Arc Tutorials. Now if I don't add hash and run this just like this, it will give me error. Okay, because it is error. So delete this line. So this is single line comment. Okay, where you add hash in front of the, at the starting you will add the hash. Now let's say you have multi lines. Now I'm going to copy paste this multiple times and I'm going to say hello world, hello comment, and whatever lines of code you have, and then I'm going to say you are amazing. So I have 4 lines of code. I want to comment these 3. So the way to do that is put 3 times quotes, 3 double quotes for, and close them. So now this entire block is commented out. This is single line comment. This is multi-line comment. Now let me execute this for you, and you are seeing only your amazing output because this is commented out. This is how you comment out multi-line of block of code. This is single line. Now which one is preferred? It depends, because let's say you want to comment only single line, you can prefer hash. If you want to comment a bunch of lines, you can use the block. Okay, this is how you can comment in Python. I hope it's clear to you and you are able to move forward. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about the data types that are available in Python. Till then, thank you so much for joining. Please do like, share, subscribe to my videos. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.